all, welcome to my channel Dr. Arshnoor's English Planet. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important tenses, that is past simple tense, and people often get confused while using this because here we have to use past simple tense with second form of the verb. Second form of the verb is not used anywhere else than in this tense. This tense gives us information about any happening, incident or event of the past. It is similarly used for all the persons, that is, there is no difference, no confusion with any person like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any name, singular or plural. So it is used in the same form, that is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. So I'm going to explain some of the ways how it is to be used. Let's start with affirmative sentences first. When the recent past is mentioned in any incident or action, subject plus second form of the verb and object is used. For example, it rained heavily yesterday. Second, I met one of my old friends last Sunday in a party. Third, Babita lost her mobile last evening. We watched a movie a day before yesterday. Then let's have practice on negative sentences. In the negative sentences, we use did, not, and we use first form of the verb after that. And the formula would be subject plus did not plus first form plus object. Once did is used, then only first form is to be used. Don't use second form again. For example, she did not take her breakfast today. Second, Rohit did not help me last week. Sangeeta did not tell a lie yesterday. I didn't board my train in the morning today. That's why I'm here. So, while using past simple tense, we usually mention the time. Then the second form would be past habit. Any habitual action of the past is indicated by using this tense. For example, we studied hard before our exams. I played piano in my childhood and my teacher trained me for that. We visited the lake in our city every Sunday when I was living there. So in these sentences, the habitual action is mentioned, which we used to do every day or we usually did in our past. Then for the historical events, any incidents, events which are indicating history, that will be told in this tense. For example, India got independence in 1947. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919. Fourth uses of this tense could be when we are specially using since as an adverb. I'm giving some examples here. First example is, my mother-in-law has been staying with us since she suffered a heart stroke. See, dear students, so we are using two tenses together. First is present perfect continuous tense and second is past simple tense. So past simple tense is the second part of this sentence. My mother-in-law has been staying with us. So this is present perfect continuous tense. But this is added with past simple tense So it shows that it started in the past and still it is continued. My mother-in-law has been staying with us since she suffered a heart stroke, that she has been staying since then. The next sentence could be, it is more than 5 years since we met. The most interesting part of this tense is storytelling. You can practice this tense more and more by reading stories and by telling stories also. So enjoy this tense, practice more and more, and if you like our videos, do not forget to subscribe our channel and sharing these videos. Must comment in the comment box about this video.